Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Happy hangover days! Welcome to another hangover breakfast video. And I gotta tell you, it's a pretty rough fucking morning. But, gotta eat breakfast. Most important meal of the day. Coffee is hot. Bailey's is gonna be flowing. Bailey's. There you go. There's a good shot. Fuck yeah. Yahoo. Alright. Just something fucking simple and quick. Nothing elaborate, just put some food in my fucking belly. Just gonna make eggs and brisket. I got some brisket here. I'm in the middle of shooting a 3-part sous vide brisket experiment series, or a test. I've done 2 so far. This is from brisket number 2. And I'm gonna be, I guess later today I'll start the 3rd one, and there'll be a video once a week about it. I'm not using whole brisket, can't afford that, so right off the bat you know it's not gonna be the best, but brisket was on sale for $7 a pound. Woo! Okay, cheers big ears. Oh, and I got some little tomato and some pickle. Oh, I made a spill. To go along with my eggs and brisket. Oh, and toast. We're gonna have toast. Oh, fuck, that's good. Chug-a-lug, doodle-bug. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a couple fried eggs, fry some brisket. We got some HP, toast, tomato, and what do you call them things? Pickles. So, let's get started. Woo! Alright, let's see what's going on here. Vacuum seal your stuff. Nice. Only gonna do 2 pieces. Fuck, smells great. Ah, fuck yeah. Nice. What do we got going on? It's just like strips of bacon, but it's strips of brisket. Is that 2? Or 1 big? That's 2. Nice. Alright. Maybe we'll do 3. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, there's maybe a small one, or 2 small ones, and a big one. Yeah! Alright, bitches. Let's move the camera and get over there. Woo! Drink your coffee. Oh, beauty. Alright. RTFO. Alright, bitches. Here we go. Some bacon fat here. This bacon fat is good. Nice. A little more. Beauty. Coffee. Cheers, big ears. Nice. All right. piece in. Here we go. We'll just heat that up for a couple of minutes on each side. And shazam! We'll get ready for some egg action. Wonder if I can flip my eggs without smashing them all to fuck this morning. I feel pretty fucking rough. It was a good night, but not a good morning. Drink up, buttercup. Right on. Like I said, this is from brisket experiment number 2. I think, well, the weather's kind of going to be shit tomorrow, well, today for sure. So I think I might fire this up and do the 3rd brisket today, because I'm doing them for 24 hours. And the beauty of the sous vide, even though I'm not a big fan of sous vide, you can do it right from frozen. So this is brisket number 3. Might start that, around noon. There you go. Nice, let's give these a flipperoo, eh? Beauty. These are just salt and pepper and Montreal steak spice on them. Fuck yeah. Woohoo! Alright, we'll be back in a couple. Cheers, biggers. Smelling good. RTFO. It's been about a minute. Don't want to do them too long. Oh yeah, perfect. Smells fantastic. Nice. Very nice. Alright. Good enough. Beauty. Get a little more bacon fat in there. For our eggies. Toast down. Bitchy! Oh, fuck off. How do you crack an egg like that? Oh, like that. It went around the bottom. Bitchy! Alright, we'll get these eggs fried, and we'll be back. Drink up, buttercup. Fuck yeah. I like eggs. Get that excess grease off, eh? Alright, bitches, we'll be back. Alright. Toast is up. Buttered. Boom. 1, 2. Off. Oh dear. I feel not so good. This one will rectify it. Did it break? Probably. Bastard. Bastard. Oh. Alright, you know how it's done. I'm going to pull them off right now. Oh, if I can just do it. Oh, I don't know if you want to watch or not. You're going to. Bitchy! Ye fucking ha. There you go. Alright, move the camera back. RTFO mofos. Cheers, big ears. Alright, bitches, there we go. Hey, we need some salt and pepper. Good enough. Get a bit of salt. Come on, salt. Gotta refill this fucker. Good enough. Little bit of HP. HP is good. Go get yourself some. Good enough. Alright. Let's give her a shot. Brisket. HP. Oh, fuck yeah. That's fucking great. A little bit of fat there and a grizzle. Oh man. Little fucking shot of pickle too, eh? Fuck yeah. Fucking beauty. Tell you that right there. Right fucking there. Eggaroo. Tomato. It might not look fucking pretty, but I can tell you what, it tastes pretty damn fucking good. Fuck yeah. Egg with brisket. Fucking right. That's what I'm saying, right fucking there, eh? Hangover, be gone. What's going on in here? Egg. A little overdone. I don't care. I was buttering the toast. Fuck. That's fucking great. Alright, bitches. Use your leftover brisket to make eggs and brisket. Pickle. Pickle and brisket. Very good. Toast. Toast, very good. Yummy. Fuck yeah. I like it. Food in the fucking gullet. Starting to feel human. Alright, bitches. Until the next hangover breakfast. Keep on rocking in the free world. RTFO, mofos. Woo! Fuck yeah.